Alright, so this is gonna be a July the 4th special of this 42-inch brushed nickel Harbor Breeze Lansing ceiling fan. This was installed in the guest bedroom like October of 2022. Yeah, it was installed in there. There used to be a Harbor Breeze Triton or Hunter Discovery here, but that fan broke and we had to put in this one. Yeah, this fan blows a lot of air, and there's a new Harbor Breeze pull vibes, and there's a Harbor Breeze logo. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you that. Okay, I want to explain this. When they first installed this ceiling fan, the light didn't work for some reason, but we got the lights fixed, like 2022. Yeah. And I'm going to show you the motor housing up there so you can see what it looks like. So let's go through that. Okay, there's the motor housing. If you see the date right there, it's made in January 2022. Yeah. There's oak to cherry blades. And the logo's right there. Yeah. We're gonna get the sheetrocking fixed because there needs to be a light fixture before they put up a Harbor Breeze Triton. So let's go through all the recipes. I'm gonna see what I do. All right, light. Fan low. Medium. This is like the best fan in the house, by the way. It blows any air, but you can't feel the air. This is July the 4th special, actually. It wobbles on high a little bit. Light off. Okay, that's all this. That's the July the 4th special ceiling fan. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Happy July the 4th, by the way. So I'll see you later. Bye.